this is our first official day in Manuel Antonio, and we are really tired. We stayed up late last night because we got to re-see some of our friends that we missed. But now we are on the search for breakfast and coffee while we walk down to the beach. And while walking, we actually just came across this cool sign.
It's only $12.
Kind of getting the same vibe that we had in Monte Verde. Lots of hills. Manuel Antonio is in the mountains. Quepos is the closest town center to us. So we'll walk there one day and we'll show you guys around. I think that's where we're gonna find a lot of like the fruit markets and good food and cheap food. But we're gonna show you Manuel Antonio a little bit and the beach.
This is so cool. Can't wait to try it out. It's literally like a 5-minute walk from Salina. Not even. So cool.
Oh my gosh. You like our mother? I didn't even see that. That's so cute. Look at his leg.
Oh, that breakfast was so good. It's one of the best breakfasts and cold brew coffee I've had in a while.
Oh yeah.
So, when I would just getting to the beach, we just followed this little road, and it looks like there's some people here. It looks kind of happening here.
It's nice.
Looks really nice. I'm really excited to see the beach. See how different it is. Wow, this beach is beautiful. I really like how there's not as much rocks. Guys, in Jaco, we wanted to take our shoes off, our flip-flops off, and walk around on the beach, but then when you're stepping on 1,000 rocks, it gets kind of painful. So, this beach is gorgeous. And then the view of the islands over here, like, holy, just gorgeous.
I love this beach. Look at how the jungle kind of connects. It's so
Can't believe that I'm here right now on a beach, like trying to just take it all in. Like, wow. I love being on a beach near the ocean. It's just something I didn't grow up with, so I feel like it's so cool to me. It's so special. That guy just looked at me like, wow. Wow, bro. But I don't want to get my flippy floppies wet.
He's turned to a man. Oh my gosh, she's running towards me.
waves.
Man of the sea.
Holy shit.
What do you think so far of this beach?
Hermosa.
Hermosa. What's it like compared to the other beaches we've been to? Well, beach.
It feels more, even though we're still on the Pacific side, it feels kind of more Caribbean.
Yeah, I agree.
I feel like I'm in like Mexico or Cuba or kind of like Costa Rica. But all the jungle, it feels like we're in Cuba but with jungle.
Look, some guys just pulled up their truck, got their music bumping and setting up.